Hi, in this video, we will see how to change package name in Android Studio. Click on Project, and navigate to Package Name. Now select Refactor and click Rename. Click Rename Package, Edit Name. Press Refactor button. Press Do Refactor button. Wait for the process to finish. Copy package name from Android manifest.xml file. Open build.gradle file and replace package name. Now open Google service.json file and do the same. Click Sync button. Open constant.java class and replace package name. If you are setting up project for the first time, then also make same changes in string my preferences. From build option, first clean project. Now rebuild project.